Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you all about the Allform sofa and how I've been liking ours so far. So this is the Allform sofa. I got this about 6 weeks ago and it was just delivered, so on time with their delivery. Allform is American made, and when I was looking for a new couch, as you can tell, I have a dog, I have a 5-year-old son, and I wanted something that could hold up, that was durable, stain proof, this is stain proof, and scratch proof. So our dog is on our sofa, my 5-year-old, as you can imagine, is all over everything, and I wanted something that could hold up to our family and what we needed. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the unboxing, how we put it together. Honestly, very simple and very easy to put together. It took my husband and I about 45 minutes, which is pretty good in my opinion, and it was pretty simple to put together. So now let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing and us putting it together. Okay, it was delivered, quite a few boxes. So we have 4 big boxes here, and then these 2 kind of taller boxes. So we're gonna take them in and unbox them. All right, so this is us taking them out of the boxes here. Everything was pretty easy, even for me to help get them out of the boxes, but was really impressed by the quality of everything, even in pieces, as you can see here. I had my husband help me. This probably took us maybe 5 minutes to 10 minutes to take everything out of the boxes. And the next clip is when we actually put a piece together. So this is us putting, I should say my husband, putting the bottom, so the actual seat, and attaching it to the back of the couch is what you're seeing here. It came with these really easy to use screws, and then we went ahead and put the side, so like the armrest, onto the side, and everything was pretty uniform. Honestly, we didn't look at the instructions but maybe twice this whole entire time. And I'd say overall it took us maybe about 45 minutes to put the entire couch from start to finish all the way together, but pretty simple and straightforward. He did a lot of the work here, as you can tell. So all of these little pieces are the legs. This was probably the most tedious part of the entire thing, and it wasn't honestly that bad, but they just came individually wrapped. So yeah, these are each of the legs that I am unwrapping here so we could attach those. And then I just took a close-up. I thought it'd be helpful for you to see how the back of one of the seats actually attaches to the bottom. So this is my husband screwing in these little things here. These actually stay in. You cannot see them at all once it's all together. And this is us putting that second back and seat together with that first part that you see there that has the armrest on it. So it started coming together. We then flipped it over and put the third seat on there. There had these little things that you could probably see there on the side to attach each seat to each other. So pretty simple, slide it in and kind of click it up. That's what we're doing here. This was honestly a lot easier to put together than the other module sofa that we have. So this sofa was, it probably took us 5 to 6 hours to put our other modular sofa together. So this one was a noticeable difference. So you'll see in this clip us just putting the rest of it together. And then the final seat. So we put this on, and then afterwards attached the other end or armrest, if you will, to this side. And after that, we flipped it over, which you'll see in a couple seconds here, and it was pretty much put together. So this is, if you wanted to keep the chaise off of it, this would be the size of just the 4-seat sofa, which is rather large. We have a pretty big living room and it fit really well in there. This is me testing it out. It was honestly a lot more comfortable than I expected, so I was very impressed. Okay, it is complete. Took us about 45 minutes to put together, but I think it looks pretty good. I like it in here. There's, you can see a little closer, the legs and underneath of it, and it is all together very comfortable. I like the way it looks. The chaise is comfortable and it's definitely spacious. I'll give you guys a little bit of a closer view of the fabric. It's just like a, I don't know what you even call this, like a tweed or cross weave. This is the sand color, and you can see pretty up close like what it looks like. And then each pillow comes off, it's removable. I just walked in and I caught Buddy on the couch. No one is home, so he thinks this is comfortable as well. And he's been up here honestly a lot. There's been no snagging at all. The fabric has been holding up honestly super well. My son has been eating on the couch, snacking on here. Buddy's been up here, and this is a pretty light fabric. I was a little bold and went with the sand, and honestly, I've been really happy with how it's been keeping up. But he has his crate over here, I mean pretty comfortable crate, and then he has his bed as well over here, but he's choosing to lay on the Allform, so Buddy must give this a thumbs up too. So another thing that was super important for me when looking for the best sofa for us was the modular capabilities. So we have a pretty large living room. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. And I wanted something that we could kind of build to if we wanted to over time, take away, and really just customize to our liking over time. So with the current space that I have, I went ahead and went with the 4-seat with a chaise. The chaise is very comfortable. This is my spot. I've been loving the spot over here, and it's actually big enough for me to lay on the chaise and my husband to lay completely flat on the 3 sofas here. He's about 5'9", so plenty of space for us and our family. My son has been sitting on here with us. Obviously, our dog is up here sometimes. I chose the sand color with the walnut legs. I feel like it fits perfectly in the space. I don't think that we could have found a better sofa, honestly, for the space. We have enough room still over on this area of the room, and honestly just really happy with it. What I was actually thinking too, I told my husband, what's really cool about this is these 3 pieces are separate. So let me show you the back. So every seat is a separate seat. So what you could do if you wanted to over time, which we were talking about, was this arm can go here. So if you don't want the chaise for any reason in the future, you could just make it a 3-seat sofa with this arm here and just do away with the chaise. You could also, this chaise is actually separate. So this is just a seat and then the chaise bottom. So you could also get just another cushion to put on the end here. That way you can make it a 4-seat sofa whenever you choose, and you can put the chaise on there. So I've been loving the modular capabilities of this couch as well. You could get another little chaise underneath here and get the chaise cushion if you wanted a 2 chaise, kind of a U-shaped, just so many things. I think they said there's over 500 different ways that you can configure this couch. So loving that so far. So when I was looking for the best sofa, I looked at quite a few different brands. I looked at Allform, was actually one of the ones I ended up finding later on in my search, which I am so glad I did, obviously, because that's the one that I went with. And I also looked at Joybird, Burrow, and Article. Those were like the 3 main ones that I looked at. But as far as warranty, trial, this actually has a 100-day trial, so you could try it. If you don't like it, after 99 days, you could contact them. They'll come to your door, pick it up, and give you a complete refund. As far as the trial goes, the warranty goes, the price goes, Allform was definitely the best sofa that checked all of those boxes for me and my preferences. And honestly, we have been liking this as much as our last couch as well. Honestly, I feel like it's a little more comfortable. We had a down-filled sofa before, and I didn't care for the down-filled. This is much more comfortable, and it makes sense because Helix actually makes this couch. Helix is a mattress company that I've actually heard of for years. So Allform is a sister company of theirs, and it's super comfortable for that reason. The fabric on it is soft. It still looks very clean and crisp, but when you sit on it, it's very comfortable and very soft. Again, this is my spot. I'm about 5'8", 5'9", and my feet just hang slightly off the edge. So I think that the chaise is a good size as well. That was one thing I was a little nervous about, was that it wasn't gonna be big enough for the space, because we have a pretty big space, but it fits perfect. So I'm glad that I didn't have to pick between design and comfort. I don't know about you guys, but in the past I feel like I've gone more for the look of something. I don't know, tell me in the comments, do you buy furniture more for looks or comfort? But I'm glad that I have both now. I think it looks amazing and it's super comfortable. So I think I covered everything that I wanted to tell you guys about. I've honestly been loving it. Couldn't have chose a better sofa in my opinion for me and my family. The 100-day free trial and free delivery, the warranty, everything that it comes with has made us really happy. So if you're looking for the best sofa for your home, if you want to look at Allform, they have tons of colors, tons of different stains that you can put on the legs to really customize it to your style and your home and what you need. Again, it's modular, so you can pick how many seats and chaises you want. And if you visit the link below, you can check everything out. It will also give you 20% off your entire order. So that is a steal in itself. I feel like the price was good, and then with that 20% off, you'll be saving even more. So that is my full review so far of the Allform sofa. If I have any updates, I will post them here. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.